Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is preposition. English grammar exercise. We start it. First question is he was angry with me. With person we can take with. Second question is the calculator is on the table because anything touch with surface that we take on the table. Anything touch with surface then we take on. Third question is the teacher is not satisfied with your work. We take with. Third question is John traveled by train. With transport we take by bus, by train, by car. Fifth question is he arrived uh, blank station blank 6 o'clock. With short place we take 8. He arrived at station blank 6 o'clock. With o'clock we take 8. John arrived at station at 6 o'clock. What is time? You blank your watch. We take by. By means according to your watch. What is time by your watch? I prefer coffee. Blank tea. Uh, p- we take two. With prefer takes two. He goes to school. Blank bus. Before I said you that with the transport we take by. That now we take by. If you want to watch second part of this video, that subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon